Good morning, guys. I hope you are in good condition and good health. This time, our subject is all about electric and electronic fundamentals 3. Our lesson is all about parallel capacitance circuit. Now, let's start. This is a parallel capacitance circuit. C1 is equivalent to 5 microfarad and C2 is 7 microfarad. The two capacitor is connected in parallel. Now, question, what will happen to the capacitance of the two capacitor connected in parallel? The problem is we're going to find the total capacitance. So, what is the formula of this circuit? Formula is total capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2. Now, what is the solution? CT is equal to C1 plus C2. So, C1 guys, is 5 microfarad. So, this is 5 microfarad plus C2 is 7 microfarad. So, you write here 7 microfarad. So, how much is this two value now? So, total capacitance is equal to 12 microfarad. So, this is what will happen to the two capacitor connected in parallel. So, you just only add the two value of these two capacitor. So, this is now the equivalent of the total capacitance. Next, we have here three capacitor connected in parallel. The value of C1 is 10 microfarad. The value of C2 is 20 microfarad. The value of C3 is 30 microfarad. Now, what will happen to the capacitance of these three capacitor connected in parallel? So, the problem is we're going to find the total capacitance. So, compute the total capacitance. Formula. So, CT or total capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Solution. So, C1, we know C1 is 10 microfarad. So, we write here the 10 microfarad. Then C2 is 20 microfarad. So, we write here 20 microfarad. Then C3 is 30 microfarad. So, we write here 30 microfarad. So, how much is this three capacitance connected in parallel? So, total capacitance is equal to 60 microfarad. So, this is what will happen, guys, if you connect the three capacitor in parallel. So, the total capacitance is bigger than the three given value in the circuit. It becomes big value, guys. Okay, so thank you. Our next lesson, guys, is all about capacitive reactance in capacitor. Now, what is capacitive reactance? Capacitive reactance is an opposition to the change of voltage across an element. Capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the signal frequency or angular frequency and the capacitance. Now, what is the formula? The formula is Xc is equal to 1 divided by 2 times pi times F times C, where Xc is capacitive reactance in ohms and F is frequency in hertz and C is capacitance in farad. Now let's have some example. We have here 3 capacitor connected in series, and C1 is 12 microfarad, C2 is 27 microfarad, and C3 is 36 microfarad. Now, let's compute the total capacitance. The formula of this is total capacitance is equal to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2 plus so on and so forth. Now, the formula of XCT or total capacitive reactance is 1 divided by parenthesis 2 times pi times F times CT. Then, what is the total capacitance of this circuit? Solution. So, CT, total capacitance, is equal to 1 divided by parenthesis 1 divided by C1, close parenthesis, plus parenthesis 1 divided by C2, close parenthesis, plus the parenthesis 1 divided by C3, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis. Now, CT is equal to, let's change the value of C1. So, 1 divided by C1 is 12. So, we will write here 12 microfarad plus 1 divided by C2. The value of C2 is 27 microfarad plus 1 divided by C3. The value of C3 is 36 microfarad. Now, what is the total capacitance? So, CT is equal to 6.75 microfarad. So, this is now the total capacitance. Now, what is the total capacitive reactance? So, what is the total capacitive reactance in the circuit with 60 Hz frequency? Formula. So, XCT or total capacitive reactance is equal to 1 divided by open parenthesis 2 times pi times F times CT, close parenthesis. Then we will change the value of this formula. Let's put value of this formula. Now, solution. XCT is equal to 1 divided by 2 times pi is 3.14 times F is 60 Hz, this one, times CT. Now, we know that CT is 6.75. So, we will not write the 6.75 here. Why? Because the answer, if you compute this total capacitive reactance, the answer is wrong. So, we are going to convert the 6.75, convert the microfarad to farad. So, this is the CT, which is 6.75 microfarad divided by 1 million microfarad. Now, CT now will be equal to 0.0000675 farad. So, this microfarad will be cancelled. And this answer will be right here. Okay? So, what is now the total capacitive reactance? So, XCT now is equal to 1 divided by 0.00254434. So, what is the equivalent of this 1 divided by 0.00254434? So, XCT now will be equal to 393.17 ohms. So, the total capacitive reactance of these 3 capacitor connected in series, which is equal to the equivalent of 393.17 ohms. Next, let's use the parallel. Okay, now we have here the parallel circuit. So C1 is 5 microfarad, C2 is 7 microfarad with a source voltage of 10 volts and a frequency of 60 Hz. Now, what is the total capacitive reactance of these two capacitors connected in series? Now, we know that the formula of this parallel circuit, connected in parallel circuit, that CT is equal to C1 plus C2. So we just only add the two value of capacitance, then we can get the total capacitance. So CT now is equal to 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12 microfarad. Now what is the total capacitive reactance? So this is the formula. So total capacitive reactance is equal to 1 divided by, open parenthesis, 2 times pi times F times CT. Now let's put a value of pi, F, and CT. Now XCT now will be equal to 1 divided by, open parenthesis, 2 times pi, which is equal to 3.14, times F, which is equal to 60 Hertz, this one, and times 0.000012 farad. Now where we get this? We divide this 12 microfarad by 1 million to get the equivalent of this value here. Okay, so remember, do not write 12 microfarad here because the answer will be wrong. So you have to change first microfarad to farad. Okay, then now the total capacitive reactance will be equal to 221.16 ohms. So this is how to compute the capacitive reactance in series capacitance circuit and in parallel capacitance circuit. So thank you and have a good day to all of you.